Paul Katroff, the 423 Byland. Here's an update video. I showed most of lot number 92 being completed. Well, lot 92 is done. The pad's installed. This is pretty exciting because I love the finished work on a pad. So I'm in front of lot 92, and let's see how Dave did. Oh yeah. There we are. Look at that beautiful pad. That really is nice. Really nice. See, you just can't beat a pad. You can't beat it, hands down. Now, all this dirt, it's going to settle, and then Dave usually comes back and he re-tampers and re-hits it again, is normally what they do. But did a really good job going from lot line to, as you can see, there's the marker there. There's the marker. Then as I turn around, real nice. Real nice. Anyway, just thought everybody would like to see this, how it came out. Pretty happy with it.